Carbide burr tools have become indispensable in the world of woodworking, enabling craftsmen and hobbyists alike to achieve levels of detail, precision, and creativity that were once difficult to attain. At their core, carbide burrs are small rotary cutting tools, crafted from extremely hard tungsten carbide. This material allows the burrs to maintain sharpness and durability, even when used on tough hardwoods, making them ideal for a range of woodworking tasks. The use of carbide burrs in woodworking begins with their attachment to rotary tools such as die grinders, Dremels, or flexible shaft machines. Once in place, these high-speed tools allow the burrs to spin rapidly, their sharp, textured surfaces removing wood quickly and efficiently. The shapes and sizes of carbide burrs vary widely, including spherical, cylindrical, conical, and flame-shaped heads, each designed for specific types of cuts and effects. One of the primary benefits of carbide burrs is their ability to carve intricate designs with remarkable finesse. When working on detailed reliefs for wooden panels, for example, a woodworker can use a fine-pointed carbide burr to outline the main features of the design. The precise control offered by the burr allows for the creation of sharp lines, delicate textures, and subtle contours, all essential elements in bringing a relief carving to life. Unlike chisels or knives, which require repeated sharpening and careful handling to avoid damaging the wood, carbide burrs maintain their edge for extended periods, making them ideal for prolonged, detailed work. Beyond relief carving, carbide burrs are widely used in shaping furniture components. Take, for example, the curved legs of a traditional chair or the ornate scrollwork on a table's edge. Shaping these complex forms by hand can be time-consuming and imprecise, but with carbide burrs, woodworkers can quickly remove excess material and refine curves with smooth, controlled movements. The versatility of different burr shapes allows the user to transition seamlessly between broad shaping and fine detailing, enabling a fluid workflow that brings creative visions to fruition. Creating decorative patterns is another area where carbide burrs excel. With the right selection of burrs, a craftsman can etch geometric motifs, floral patterns, or personalized lettering into a wooden surface. The ability to control depth and texture means that patterns can be as subtle or as bold as desired, opening up a world of artistic possibilities. Whether working on a keepsake box, a custom sign, or an elaborate door panel, carbide burrs make it possible to achieve professional quality results with a personal touch. Safety and technique are essential when using carbide burrs in woodworking. Because these tools operate at high speeds, it's important to secure the workpiece firmly and maintain a steady hand to prevent slips or mistakes. Wearing protective eyewear and a dust mask is also advisable, as the burrs generate fine wood particles during use. With practice, woodworkers learn to vary their pressure, speed, and angle of approach, optimizing the tool's performance for different woods and tasks. In summary, carbide burr tools have revolutionized modern woodworking by offering unparalleled precision, efficiency, and versatility. From carving detailed reliefs on wooden panels to shaping elegant chair legs and crafting decorative patterns, these tools empower woodworkers to push the boundaries of their art. With careful technique and creative vision, carbide burrs transform ordinary pieces of wood into works of beauty and craftsmanship, making them a valuable addition to any woodworker's toolkit.